How to check if a document is formatted with headings. In other words, how do I know if a document is accessible? This demo was recorded using Microsoft Word for Mac, version 16.20. As someone who doesn't typically use a screen reader, but needs to ensure that documents are accessibly formatted so that it can be read and navigated by somebody who's using a screen reader, there's a very easy way to check a document to see if it has been formatted correctly, so that you could say that yes, this is an accessible document, which means it has been formatted with heading styles, like up here on the styles ribbon, or it's not accessible and I need to do some remediation. So here on the screen, I have a Word document pulled up, and this is like, if you receive any sort of Word file, you can just open it right up in Microsoft Word. I like to quickly go up here to the View menu, and right now, when I click View, it's on the print layout. However, in order to easily check and see if there are headings formatted here, I like to go to the Draft view. Now, when I click on the Draft view, there's a lot of white space on the screen, and I don't really see any sidebars, and I don't see any information about whether or not there are headings here. So first, if this is your first time setting up your Microsoft Word in order to do an accessibility check, you might have to adjust the view first. So how do we do that? I'm going to go up to my Word menu. I'm going to click on Preferences. And in my Word Preferences menu, I'm going to go to View, and this is under the section Authoring and Proofing Tools. So I click on View, and I'm going to come down here to Show Window Elements. And I'm looking for this section called Style Area Width. Right now it's set to 0 inches. What I want to do is increase the style area width, so something like maybe 1.0 inches. And let's see what that does. I'm going to close out of my Preferences menu. And now when I go back into my View mode, I see that along the left sidebar here, it identifies each line of text as with the formatting. So I can see that my title here is formatted as a heading 1. The next subsection of my article is formatted as a heading 2. And then within this section, I have a couple smaller subtopics. So these are all my heading 3s, as you can see. And if I keep scrolling through my article, the next large subsection, it is a heading 2. And then some subtopics under that section are heading 3s. So real quick, I can just look down the sidebar and see that indeed this is an accessible document because there are headings that have been formatted. They are in a sensical reading order. And now this gives any person using a screen reader the ability to truly navigate the document and skim it auditorily the same way we might visually skim a document looking at the headings and subheadings. So if I go back into the regular view of this article, I go into my View menu again, I click Print Layout, and I'm back to the document just as how it would appear. So I've just shown you a very quick and easy way to quickly see if and how a document has been formatted with headings for accessibility. Want to know more about technology, accessibility, and education? Follow me at TVI_Ting. You can also learn more about the program and visual impairments at San Francisco State by following @VI Program SFSU. Thanks for watching.